Hi, welcome to the video. So today we will be setting up our civil services preparation tracker. So let's see that how we can set up all these things and we'll be able to track our UPSC preparation from this dashboard. So first, let us talk about the features. So we are having today is section, means if we are having today something special, so it will be showing here. As today 13th December, there is nothing special today, that's why it is not showing. But would like to show you that we are having a complete list of special days, okay, which will be reflecting over there. So the next features is our subject tracker, optional subject tracker, essay tracker, and current affairs and the focus hub. We'll be going through all these things one by one. Before that, let us check the overview of the dashboard, that what features we are having here for the civil services preparation tracker. So first of all, we'll be looking out to our quick navigation section. So we are having a table of content here, whatever we are having over the dashboard, like today's section, daily schedule section, habit tracker section, task on calendar section, and the databases. Databases is not useful for the users, okay, so do not touch the databases for further. So first of all, let us look out to the country, capital, and currency. So here we are having a section where every day you'll be getting 5 countries, their capitals and their currencies to remember, memorize. The next section we are having is of parts of constitution. So if you'll be clicking over here, you'll be able to check every part mentioned. So you can memorize all these things, and even you can research about all these parts. Next, we are having a section where you'll be getting 5 articles per day. All these things will update automatically every day. So our next section is of 2 amendments per day, where you'll be able to check every day there'll be 2 amendments, whatever has been made. Next, we are having a section, the new section, which we are having here, is of syllabus complete percentage. We'll be moving ahead for this, like it will be showing that how much prelims you have covered and mains you have covered, okay, apart from current affairs and all. Next, we are having a daily schedule, like to-do list, that you can create a to-do here. If you are having a task, you can mention task 1, and if you would like to get a reminder from the application about it, so you can click here, type @remind me. If you would like to get a reminder next day, so you can write tomorrow, like on 14th of December, today is 13th of December. Yeah, now tomorrow it will give you a notification, okay, regarding this task. Next, if we will done this task, we can click here. It will show over the completed section. So you can check here, and whatever the task you will complete all over the days, you can track it here, like on task history, whatever task you will be completing. Next, we are having the section of daily habit tracker, where we can mention all our daily habits here and track it out, like new page, number of tracking 1, date today. So we have done the 10-minute meditation, whatever it is, you can track it out. Even you can create your own also, like if I'll do it like this. If you are having a new, so you can click here, like get bed by 10 p.m. and you can select as checkbox. Now you can make a new one, like get bed by 10 p.m. You can select the icon also, like bed. So yes, now you can check. We have created one more section here. Next, whatever the habits you will track all over the days, so you'll be able to track it here, like this. Next, whatever the task you'll be mentioning, you'll be making, completing or not, okay, it will be showing here over the task on calendar section. Like if we are having a completed task, so it will be showing here. If we are having a task left, it will show here. And you can track your weekly tasks as left, as completed, and over the monthly view also, okay, that what were the tasks we were doing, okay, and where are we. And now let's move ahead to the next section of buttons. We are having subject tracker, their resources, optional subject tracker, their resources, essay tracker, their resources, current affairs hub, and a focus hub. Let us get into one by one. Okay, so first about the subjects tracker, we can click here. Now we can check all the subjects as pre, mains, and all. And you can check if you will be going through it, whatever inside it as a section, you will be able to check it out. Okay, so I was about to show you about the percentage tracker, subject percentage tracker also. Okay, so let us move out now. Click on subjects, go to prelims or mains, wherever. I have checked two. Okay, so these two subjects has been completed as per prelims. And now we can go back and check it over the dashboard that 33.33% of prelims has been completed. Even the 16.67% of mains has been completed too. Okay, so that's how it works. And it is basically a tracker that how you are completing your subjects and all. Okay, now you can look out to everything here once you will get the template. Let us move to the next section, resources section. So here you will be we would have to set the resources section from our end. So whatever the resources we are having, we can check here. Over the lecture section, what we have to do, we have to go to filter, type, and select lecture. Now go again. Whatever the lecture you will be creating, let's create a new lecture. It covers a subject like environment and ecology. Okay, and the lecture link, if it is a YouTube video link, you can paste it here. If it is any application link, you can paste it here. Okay, and you'll be able to track all these things over the resources section. Next is playlist section. You would have to do the same for this also. Type and playlist. You would have to click it again once. It will remove. PDF section. Filter. Now whatever the resources you will be having, you will be able to track it here. So it will not make a chaos over your mind. Next we are having a section of optional subject tracker. As everybody having their own optional subjects, that's why we do not have anything here. The user will be mentioning all the topics here from there and only. So it will be easier for him also to track and understand where I have mentioned what things and all. Okay, you can change here, like if you are selecting geography, so that's it. Let me change it to the name again. Okay, next resources, optional resources hub, same for here. Okay, like subject resources, it also works like optional resources, also works like subject resources only, but it will give you the option to attach the file of like optional subject cover, so as it covers chapter 1. Let us move out to the subject notes section. I forgot to let you know about it. So if you'll be going to the subject section, as we are having aptitude, so we can make a note of aptitude here. Whatever we want, we can make a note here. Okay, even if we are having something inside aptitude also, let's move like algebra, so we can make a note of algebra here also. Okay, so you can use it as a notepad too, and even you will be able to access all the data over your mobile phone also. So next section is of essay section, where whatever the essay you will be writing over a page or over the Notion platform also, like essay topic is A, B, C. Okay, and if you want to write it over here, you can write the essay here. If you want to write it over a page, you can mention it here and track it out that for which section it was. Okay, as we are having 3 sections only, polity, society, and economy. If you want, you can click here and add your sections too. Okay, categories too. Next, attempted or not. Okay, all these things you can check here. Next, as of this month essay, whatever essay you will be attempting this week, it will be showing here. This month, it will be showing here, and all the essays you have mentioned or written over there, so it will be showing here now. Essay resources are same like optional resources too. Just notes, article, lecture, PDF, book. Next, we are having a section of current affairs. So this is very unique section, okay, where you can use it like a current affair note sub too. So let's check about the current affairs section. So as December is going on, so what we'll be doing with the first date of the week, we'll be creating month section, week section, and the date section. Okay. So suppose today is 1st of December. So whatever the current affairs for today, we'll be mentioning it here. Just like same for 2nd of December. Okay. Same for 3rd and 4th. Okay. So whatever the current affairs of that week will be, we will be revising it while making a short notes of that current affairs here. Next, if we are having 4 weeks over December, so we'll be making current affair note for all of those 4 weeks as a short note and revising it over the December section. So it will give you a remembrance. It will be helpful for you to revise the current affairs also. Okay, from 1st of December to first week to the actual month. Next, we are having a section of focus hub. So this is our focus hub where we will be spending time whenever we used to study. Like we are having a Pomodoro tracker for your focused study session. You can use it out. Next, count here sections. So whatever the session you will complete, you can count here. And once the day off, at the end of the day, you can mention your sessions here. If we have completed 10 sessions today, we'll be mentioning 10. It will help us to track also that how many sessions we are completing over particular days. Okay. So these are the sections where this template helps us to improve our study focus and track ourselves. You can download it from the link at the description. And that's all for today. Thank you so much. Have a great day.